Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make lemon shortbread bars. For the ingredients, there's two parts. For the shortbread crust, you would need 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup confectioner powdered or icing sugar, 1 cup cold unsalted butter cut into small chunks, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. For the lemon filling, you would need about 2 1/2 to 2/3 cups of granulated white sugar, 6 large eggs at room temperature, 2/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup, which is about 240 milliliters, freshly squeezed lemon juice, which comes from approximately 6 large lemons, 2 tablespoons of grated lemon zest, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In your food processor or mixer, place the flour, confectioner or icing sugar, and salt. Mix to combine. Mix at low speed. Add the vanilla extract and cold butter and mix until the pastry starts to combine together and form clumps. Before adding anything onto the pan, make sure you either butter your pan or add non-stick parchment paper. Transfer the pastry to the prepared pan and using your fingers, evenly press the pastry onto the bottom of the pan. Gently pierce the crust with the tines of a fork. This will prevent the pastry crust from puffing up while it bakes. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the crust is golden brown around the edges. Remove from the oven and place on a wire rack to cool while you make the filling. In a large bowl, add eggs, whisk, sugar, whisk, lemon juice, whisk together, lemon zest, last, gradually add the flour and mix to combine. Pour the filling over the shortbread crust and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, or just until the filling has set. Then remove from the oven and place on a wire rack to cool completely. Remove carefully. Dust with powdered sugar. Wipe the knife in between. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.